How to fix eBay cannot list item. To fix an eBay listing problem, first of all, check if your account is verified or not. If there are any verification steps left, you simply have to complete the tax document request or identity checks in your seller dashboard. And also ensure you have not exceeded your monthly selling limits for item count or total dollar volume. And also confirm you have a valid linked checking account or debit card attached to the seller fee payouts. Now, once you have checked all of these options, you simply have to proceed to force close the application if it is running on your background. Once you close it, go ahead and launch the app drawer from your device and locate the eBay application icon, access the App Info panel, scroll down to the storage option, then proceed to clear the cache to remove any corrupted files within the application itself. And also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Once you go through all of these steps, your problem should be resolved. You simply have to now reopen the eBay application, then proceed to list an item. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.